If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Webull, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have received any emails from Webull regarding your verification status. Sometimes additional information or documents may be requested. Step 2. Review your documents. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Resubmit verification. If you find any issues with your documents, look back into your Webull account and resubmit the necessary identification documents for verification. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your verification is still pending after resubmission, reach out to Webull's customer support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and any relevant information. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, wait for their response. They will inform you of any further actions needed or confirm when your verification is complete. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Webull. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.